Yeah, I want to dedicate this to my auntie, Minister Faye Coleman. Thank you for paving the way. This ain't a gospel song, it's a gospel song. For all the kids in the streets that can't feel the churches, cause they don't want to keep it real with you. Yeah, I keep the shit real hood for you. Shut. Niggas act like Jesus ain't tough. Gangsta shit, he started this stuff. Ducking police, hanging with the thugs. Don't think cause I'm saved I won't fuck you up. Niggas act like God ain't tough. Beef and war, he started this stuff. When rock burst, the Canaanites' heads got bust. Going to church ain't soft, I'll fuck you up. I came from the church, I'll be returned to the church. Man, turn me in the dirt, done doing God's work. I walk the streets anointed holy water, I'm blessed, but still keep still, blow four in your chest. I pray for your spirit, then pray for forgiveness, but the bastard asked for it. God be my witness, he understands what's inside my heart. Same shit hanging out your back for acting smart. He said be humble, bitch not a punk. You can turn the other cheek, it don't work, pop the trunk. Knock a chunk out a chump if a sucker wanna dump. A lot of cowards never ever fight, niggas scared to thump. I'd rather squab, God gave me healing hands. Knock the demons out your body, I'm a vessel for God's plan. Why the fuck you think they call me Bishop? I spit that good book and still get my dick sucked. Niggas act like Jesus ain't tough. Gangsta shit, he started this stuff. Ducking police, hanging with the thugs. Don't think cause I'm saved I won't fuck you up. Niggas act like God ain't tough. Beef and war, he started this stuff. When rock burst, the Canaanites' heads got bust. Going to church ain't soft, I'll fuck you up.
Jack straight down Bishop, and hey, he in gang bang.
Ain't got a bitch, handguns do the same thing. Point them, aim and squeeze them, and they all go bang bang. The platinum backpack at New West do the damn thing. It's about time I get my ride on. Tell you the hottest 5 MCs, homie, like Dialine. Bishop, 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 Bishop. I spit hot fire, you can light up your blunt on my verse, fuck a lighter. Real niggas dream, fake niggas nightmare. Get used to it, I ain't going nowhere except the top of the charts, top floor at the win. Sitting on top of the world with God and Dre, I'ma win. Can't take no credit, God makes me fresh. What did I do to deserve all this? Is anybody's guess? I've been patiently waiting to blow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Bishop Lamont Show. Niggas act like Jesus ain't tough. Gangsta shit, he started this stuff. Ducking police, hanging with the thugs. Don't think cause I'm saved I won't fuck you up. Niggas act like God ain't tough. Beef and war, he started this stuff. When rock burst, the Canaanites' heads got bust. Going to church ain't soft, I'll fuck you up. Church ranking like porn. Niggas, so do I. If that's enough to burn in hell, won't be too many in the sky. I ain't met a nigga yet to come back after he died, then explain exactly how things work on the other side. I don't need no fucking wings, I don't need a fucking heart. Just give me your TV and some bitches to fuck. Yeah, I'm an honest man, telling my truth. Not yours, not theirs, not my truth. Couple hundred years back, I'll be murked for that. My head cut off, quick, fast, like whack. But guess what? First Amendment bitch got freedom of speech, so I'ma talk my shit. Problem is, people lying to their kids, trying to portray a perfect home, but that's not where they live. We all got problems, ain't shit perfect. Bet you get a better tenant, you keep it real in your service. Niggas act like Jesus ain't tough. Gangsta shit, he started this stuff. Ducking police, hanging with the thugs. Don't think cause I'm saved I won't fuck you up. Niggas act like God ain't tough. Beef and war, he started this stuff. When rock burst, the Canaanites' heads got bust. Going to church ain't soft, I'll fuck you up, nigga. And then pray for you, nigga. I'll put these healing hands on you, nigga. Knock them demons out your motherfucking body, nigga. It's the hood Kirk Franklin, nigga. Catch the ghost and shit, nigga. We gonna keep it rocking right now. Remember, it's the Pope Mobile, DJ Rafiki, Bishop Lamont. You know what I'm saying? Worldwide, niggas. Hallelujah. I'm still drinking.